In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to link your Google Calendar to the Harvest Time Tracker. This integration is a fantastic way to streamline your productivity, ensuring you have a seamless flow between planning and tracking your time. Let's walk through the process step by step. And by the end of this video, you'll have everything connected and ready to go. First, make sure you are logged into your Harvest account. In the top right corner, you'll see your name. Click on it, and from the drop-down menu, select My Profile. This will take you to your personal settings page, where we will begin the integration process. Once you're in your profile, look for the Security tab. It's crucial to navigate there, as this is where you'll manage your integrations and other important security settings. Click on Security and you'll find a section labeled Integrations. Now this is where it starts to get interesting. In the Integration section, you'll see a list of options for connecting various services to Harvest. Locate the Google Calendar option and click Connect next to it. This is the gateway to syncing your calendar with your time tracker. When you click Connect, prompts will appear on your screen guiding you through the authorization process. It's important to carefully follow these prompts. They'll likely ask you to sign into your Google account if you haven't already, and to grant permission for Harvest to access your Google Calendar. Don't worry, this is standard procedure. Giving permissions is necessary for these two platforms to talk to each other and share information securely. A quick tip here. Double check which Google account you are authorizing. It's easy to accidentally connect the wrong calendar if you manage multiple accounts. So take a moment to confirm that you're using the correct login details. Here's something important to keep in mind. Harvest only supports one calendar integration at a time, so you can connect either a Google Calendar or an Outlook calendar, but not both. If you're already using an Outlook calendar with Harvest and want to switch, you'll need to disconnect it before linking your Google Calendar. After you've successfully connected your Google Calendar, test the integration to ensure everything is working. Events from your calendar should now appear in Harvest, allowing you to track time directly from scheduled events. This integration can significantly enhance your efficiency by letting you convert calendar events into time entries, reducing the need for manual input and letting you focus more on the actual work. And there you have it. You've successfully linked your Google Calendar to Harvest. I hope this guide has helped simplify the process for you. Enjoy the seamless workflow and improved productivity that comes with having your schedule and time tracking in perfect harmony.